The transition to carbon neutrality is a clear trend that is happening here and now. There are many clear targets that have been set by many countries at worldwide level and that are impacting different sectors. And transportation industries, being one of the main contributors to the CO2 emission, is not an exception. Inside these industries, the truck sector is one of the most difficult to be decarbonized because of the highly customized use case and many different customers that compose this market. For this reason, Iveco and Nikola has partnered in order to accelerate the development of zero-emission truck, both in battery electric vehicle and fuel cell version. We believe that both technology will be needed in future in order to offer to our customer the best possible flexibility in selecting the right vehicles that can fit their demand. For this reason, we are working in a common platform in order to develop in a modular way both solutions, leveraging all the potential synergies that we can have from an architectural standpoint. Operating these trucks in the real world needs the setup of the complete ecosystem that has to grow together with the introduction of the truck into the market in order to guarantee to the final customer a use as similar as possible to the operation of a normal internal combustion engine truck. The joint venture that we have founded for building the Nikola Tre vehicle has been established in Ulm. The decision has been driven by the fact that this city is located in one of the most advanced regions in Europe for the zero-emission technologies. Being in this technological cluster has allowed us to leveraging internal and external stakeholders that has guaranteed the possibility to accelerate significantly the development of this vehicle. The plant has been developed following the highest industry standards and implementing the lean manufacturing concept since the design phase. We have reached an assembly process that is fully digital and that guarantees us a full traceability of all the assembly process. We are convinced that the truck industry is facing a real revolution, and we want to contribute to shape the future of it.
An innovative plant requires and deserves an innovative and ambitious ICT structure. And as ICT, one of our main goals is to create value for the company through digital capabilities. The Nikola Iveco Europe plant was born almost as a greenfield, also from an IT point of view. We somehow forgot the existing systems already used in other Iveco plants, and we selected the best that the technology offers today. We came up with an advanced architecture based on SAP S/4HANA solution, aiming to fulfill three main goals: maximize the efficiency of the operators along the assembly line and in the logistic area, ensure a tight process control, reach an outstanding quality level for each single vehicle produced in the plant. We are very proud of this result, reached after a 9-month system implementation project and despite all the constraints due to the pandemics. The project saw an enthusiastic team which could operate with full trust and commitment despite, or thanks to, its diversity. Expert colleagues speaking with new hired, internal employees and consultants, people belonging to different companies' culture in a joint venture context, colleagues coming also from different geographies. Probably the glue stays in the awareness of running for an ambitious goal, which can remain as a landmark in the history of our industry and of our communities. The Ulm installation remains also an internal best practice, to be further improved itself in the future, but also to be taken as a model and source of inspiration also for all the other plants of the Iveco footprint. Within Iveco Group, we believe that Industry 4.0 will transform our manufacturing practice in the next years in the continuous improvement of our quality and efficiency.
CNHI Iveco was looking for a partner able to design an innovative solution from an IT standpoint, and who would also take into account the transformation path necessary to create a new concept of plant by combining experience with innovation. As Capgemini, we immediately recognized the relevance of these projects as the first milestone of a transformation roadmap that will bring innovation and sustainability at the heart of CNHI's future. For this reason, starting from the first approach, we have supported CNHI Iveco with the aim of developing an innovative ERP model based on SAP S/4HANA technology to build the factory of the future, implementing manufacturing, procurement, logistics, and finance process. This is the first important step of a more holistic program we intend to share with Iveco, based on the paradigm of Capgemini Intelligent Industry, the next generation of digital transformation, grounded on cloud data-driven platform powered by artificial intelligence, where all the engineering processes are digitalized and all the equipment and the products are connected through IoT, Edge and 5G technology. Leveraging this success story and our long-lasting collaboration, the ambition that we have is to be the partner of Iveco Group in supporting the Industrial Plan 2022-2027 to accelerate industry transformation based on technology advancement.